So I wanted to make this video more vlog style, so I don't have my mic, but wanted to get a little personal with you guys. Back 3 weeks ago, my Powerhouse algorithm had a loss, which it's recovering from now, as you can see. It's already made 7% recovery, but when that loss happened, I got anxious and offered my community free copy trading from my personal trading, and that didn't work out. I ended up losing 27% of my account, which could be more on others, as you can see here, and let my ego get the best of me, thinking that I could basically outdo my algorithms and make more profit. It was irresponsible, and my company name is Responsible Forex Trading, and I basically went against pretty much everything that I preach on my channel. So one of my big life and business mistakes, for sure, I decided to not try to recover this 27% loss and push all my remaining funds into my Powerhouse algorithm. I trust my algorithms a lot, but I constantly have the struggle of trying to beat out my algorithms, because somehow I feel like people look at me as not a real trader unless I am capable of manually trading profitably. The thing is that if you look at the majority of traders out there, or just profitable trading strategies, most of them are algorithmic. You don't see as many manual traders that are capable of long-term profit anymore because of how difficult it is emotionally and strategically, and it's definitely difficult on your sleep as well. And this is something that I've been fighting for almost 20 years now, since I've started trading, and I'm now willing to give it up, because I realize how damaging it is, not just for me, but also for those who follow me, my community. And I hope that after this loss, people can, forgive me over time. I know it won't be something that's immediate, because quite a few of you have to recover losses. Luckily, my algorithms are still rolling strong, and they've actually outperformed me over the last 3 weeks. And ego is a big thing in trading. It's hard to push aside, even if you're struggling. I'm going to recover these losses. I'm going to make a profit. I'm going to get out of this. But it's really easy to dig yourself deeper into a hole. And I know that a lot of you think that, oh well, Ryan's been trading for so long that he won't struggle. He'll come out, he'll come out and profit. It's not that easy. Trading is not easy, and that's one reason why I set out to build out my algorithms, is because I knew the weaknesses, the struggles, the difficulties that manual traders have, and so that's why I built not just algorithms, not just robots that trade the market automatically, but robots that allow the trader to have input, manual intervention, so you can actually start a trade sequence, and the algorithm will do its best job to get you out in profit. And that's something that I knew I personally needed in order to become a profitable trader. I needed something to basically babysit my trades, to control my urge to make additional profit. I've always said that profit over 3 to 5% a month is reckless or too risky, and I stand by that still. And I've basically proved that I was right all along. There are traders out there that are making more than that, but I'm still convinced that eventually they'll have big losses, because you just can't keep up this kind of 10, 15, 20, 30, even 100% a month in profit, even though we really want to, especially when we're covering losses. So, big lessons learned here, and I wanted to apologize to my community for letting you guys down, breaking my rules, going against the things that I typically say. It doesn't mean that my algorithms are bad or tarnished. It's just me. I'm at fault here, personally. And it's time to get serious, move my funds back into my algorithms, and look for recovery over the next 3 to 4 months. It takes some time because no trading strategy is perfect, and losses are part of trading, and they need to slowly be recovered, because if we try to speed them up, things can go bad and we can have more losses. I'd like to thank my community for staying with me, for being understanding and honest, and I'm going to try to be better. My time and effort will be spent in developing more strategies, improving my strategies to hopefully reduce drawdown and increase profit. Thanks guys for all your support, and I'll see you on the next one.